this is what we're gonna be using and make a nice lovely cup of drink this morning. All right, so important for you guys to do this one. Yeah, so so grab yourself some lemon. All right, just like this, simple. Yeah. Pour it into a cup like this. All right. And then we're going to pour some hot water. Just like that. Now we're going to be getting this apple cider vinegar. This one have some turmeric and ginger in it. Just gonna put a teaspoon inside of it. A little bit more. And what you wanna do? Give it a mix. All right. Once you mix it, we're just gonna tip it up with a little bit of lukewarm water. Some warm, not cold water, lukewarm. This is some bottled water. Let's tap it up a little bit to cool on that temperature. Yeah, nice. Now, you might have said, why is not making bun and cheese and fried fish and all those things? The only reason why is in the morning. I'm just putting out the message to say, something like this, you want to drink it first thing in the morning, guys, because a lot of people will be eating bun and cheese, fried fish, and all bits and pieces, bread. And the only thing gonna happen, and I know, no, trust me, there's no way. The only thing gonna happen, you're sparking up your high blood pressure, you're sparking up your sugar, all of these things. So what you wanna do, you wanna make sure you're drinking something like this, help to control your high blood pressure and your cholesterol level. And that's why I did certain kind of video like this in the morning, to show you exactly what's going on. So over the holiday, a lot of people will be drinking and eating and having a good time, but remember your health. You're gonna have to look after your health. You're gonna have to look after yourself. So do something like this in the morning to help a lot and to protect your immune system from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and many more things. All right, this can help you right here. Apple cider vinegar, some lemon, and you don't have to put any sugar or sweetener or honey inside of it. You just want to drink it natural like this. All right, yeah. So it's not making bun and cheese this morning or fry any fish. It's just to tell you exactly what you can do at home to protect yourself from high blood pressure, cholesterol level, and you know what I mean, sparking up your sugar level, because a lot of people will be eating bread, bun, cheese, lots of stuff, you know what I mean, lots of things will be happening over the weekend. But as you as an adult, you're gonna have to look after yourself. All right, very simple little one from Chef Ricardo this morning to you.